So, I've just left London Victoria Coach Station and I have got the new LUMIX 85 F1.8. Well, it's not new, but it's new for me. And I'm going to be going around London, centre of London, don't really know where, got no plans, but trying to get some street photos on the 85 F1.8. A new focal length for me, which I've never used before. My photography and videos, so it should be quite fun to try out and get some test shots with, I guess, in the capital of England. I've also got the Sigma 20mm f1.8, which is also new, which is what I'm using right now, which I could also get a few photos on, but this video is mainly focusing on the 85 f1.8. I'm going to switch over to my phone for the B-roll and stuff and behind the scenes. Let's see what photos we can get around London. One positive though about this lens is that it is very, very sharp. Or it has been on the photos I've taken so far. I took some the other day back in Exeter, went home, edited them, and they came out looking very, very sharp and clean. They're on my Instagram if you haven't seen them already, at BenBeps. It'll be down in the description. But yeah, when you're shooting f1.8, obviously the background's going to be out of focus and blurry and stuff, but the bits which are in focus are actually very, I don't want to say surprisingly, but pleasingly in focus and sharp, which has made me very happy. I'm excited to take some more photos, specifically in that band on this lens, because if they're that sharp, obviously that's a benefit of a lens, and it's something you'd expect when paying 600 whatever it is pound for a lens. Switch back over to the 20mm f1.8 so that the vlog will show you the view behind me, which is currently a bit overexposed, but we've got the B-roll. Might also carry on shooting on this lens, get a few photos of that, and of the big skyscrapers in the middle. Having a wide angle help me accentuate the height and scale of them a bit more when shooting on an 85 will. We've done a lot on the 85 as well now, so I'm switching it a bit different creatively. Yeah, down by the River Thames, as you can guess. Yeah, let's go back to the photography. I've got 45 minutes, then I'm going to meet Doug at the train station, and that'll be a wrap on my shoot today in the centre of London. People who live here are probably so bored of this view, but it's such a nice spot for taking photos on a wide angle lens. Yeah, they're all in just about on the 20mm. If I had the 18 f1.8 LUMIX lens, it would be even better because I'd get a little bit more of outside the buildings in. Yeah, I wish I was further that way down the river though. After doing this I won't be able to get there today. I'd love to get photos of the Shard, possibly tomorrow, I'm not sure. Yeah, a lot of big buildings here to shoot now. Centre of London right now at London Bridge, so near the Shard, obviously London Bridge. So I'm going to try and get some more photos of the 85 f1.8 and also the Sigma 20 f1.8 as well, and show you guys the results and a bit of a lens review. Yeah, walking around centre of London, getting some street photos mainly. Also might get some landscape ones. Let's just see what I get over the next hour or so. I've got an hour and a half till I need to go for my bus. Well, I found the shard, if you look up behind me. So I've switched over to a 20 F1.8, got a couple of shots in that, going to switch back to the 85 in a moment. I'm going to walk around to the river and see if I can get some shots of it from there, because I'm a little bit too close to it right now for me to get the kind of shots I want. Can't really fit it all in the frame when I'm this close. So yeah, I'm going to head off down the river area. I've got 45 minutes so I should have enough time to get a few shots before heading back, and then I will have to end the video because I'm going to get the bus back to Exeter. One thing I've noticed about this lens is that it seems to be a lot better at autofocusing for photos than videos. When I'm doing videos it seems to be searching a lot, and I don't know why it would be any different because it's on the same camera and stuff, but it's searching a lot and looking around trying to focus when I'm doing video, whereas when I'm doing photo it does it instantly and just continuously tracks very, very well. Yeah, I don't know why that would make any different, photo or video, but it seems to, because it's not so great for video. Right in the very heart of London now, in the most famous spaces, you got my Canary Wharf area, I'm not very sure, but obviously Tower Bridge, very famous, a couple of photos of that, and even just the area over here, all the modern looking buildings, glassy, shiny textures are very cool to take photos of. Unfortunately I think it's starting to rain, so this might be cut a bit short if it does start tipping down, but at least I got to see the very centre of London on this quick weekend and shoot some photos of it on a couple of new lenses. Got London Bridge in the background. There we go. Good angle. I'll probably end up in my 2023 review video. Like this alleyway next to these old boats and probably hugely expensive apartments up here with this view of London Bridge. Pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm getting a few thumbnails for video with the lens and stuff, see if I'll use those. What I was saying about the 85 is the other day that it's very sharp, but the autofocus for video is not as good as the autofocus for photo, and I don't really know why that is. It just ends up searching a lot and trying to decide what to focus on when I'm trying to focus on video, whereas when doing it on photo it does it immediately and it is very, very quick and swift to do that, which is highly useful when I'm going through streets trying to take photos of people and objects, possibly when I'm moving or trying to keep discreet about it, and I can just go boom, autofocus done. I don't have to worry about tweaking manual focus or anything, or waiting around for it when I may be shooting, say, an animal or a person who might be moving. So it's definitely useful for photo, but I wish it was just a bit better for video. Not that video matters as much, but yeah, I'm about to head back now. Got all my last shots of London Bridge here and stuff, both on the Sigma 20 F1.8 and the 85 F1.8. Yeah, time to head back to Victoria and catch the coach back to Exeter. 4.5 hour, probably more like 5.5 hour coach, considering traffic. It's rush hour as well getting out of London, so it's probably going to be longer than that. So, time to learn some Finnish, ready to go to Finland in 2 weeks. Thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed seeing a bit of this lens and a bit of the centre of London as well. This is kind of like a travel vlog as well as testing out the lens. For some of you guys, you probably quite enjoyed seeing the centre of London. I know I have enjoyed being here. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, turn on post notifications so you see when I upload next. And I'll see you in the next one, which will probably be in Lapland. Luego.